Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to set up the Now Brief. So at first you need to open your phone settings. Here Now Galaxy AI. Here select Continue. Now you need to find Now Brief option, which is right here. As you can see here I've got many things. Scroll a little bit down and here we've got Show Audio Brief button. We can make our brief, Now Brief, be read aloud. Apart from that, here I've got something called Content to Include. We can see health and wellness, digital well-being, smart home, travel, event tasks. You can of course disable and enable every single section you don't want to see. Text messages, communication, wearable battery alerts, device management, such as security, privacy, warranty and care, traffic updates, car information like parking spot reminders and driving report, moments, news, and many others. So, after you do that, you can of course set up the custom cards and of course update Now Brief to set it up. Personal data intelligence needs to be updated. Now we've got it updated, so let's go back to our Galaxy AI. Now Brief, Content to Include, Custom Cards, More. And here we've got custom cards. If you tap plus, you can see. Choose a subject for your card. Your card will show content based on what you choose. I would like, for example, weather. Here, choose weather information to show. Only this item can be included in your weather card. I would like to see activity forecasts, wind, current weather, and severe weather alerts. And of course, yesterday temperature maybe too. Let's click next. Here we've got, as you can see, create a custom card, weather information to show, choose when to show this card, and here you can write when you want to see it. Like for example, every week on Monday at 9 a.m. generate Let's wait a moment now, and here I've got our custom card. Let's tap done. And here you can tap Start Now Brief, and it's actually all set up. If you tap this button right here, brief, it's read aloud. Now let's go back a moment and let me tap Now Brief back again. Here if we tap custom cards and add another one, like for example health, and allow, here you can see this AI field, and it's the same weather and videos. Here, apart from these topics that I showed you earlier, you can write what you want to see by yourself. Like I want to, for example, see all my steps in this week. And now that's how actually Now Brief works. Here I've got something called Expand Now Brief without unlocking. Also get richer insights when it comes to YouTube or Gemini. Allow access to health data and manage personal data. That's it. Bye.